Hey, morning, it's Beanie here. Today, let's quickly update the indexes. 2 or 3 indexes that I want to update. One would be NASDAQ. While NASDAQ, because this week we have Tesla, we have Apple, we have big tech, all right, M7 reporting. So NASDAQ is definitely looking very interesting. And second one would be Nikkei 225. And third would be, of course, my dear HSI, all right. Okay, so first let's go off with NASDAQ. I have the chart here. So this is a NASDAQ cash index because right now the US market is closed, right? The only way that we can trade into NASDAQ is to trade into the CFDs, okay? So that would be the CFD feed here. I'm using 8cap, which is the broker that I prefer using. All right, and if you're interested in 8cap, that's the sign up link. You can go with them. I have a 100% cost cash reimbursement with them, or you can go for the 30% deposit bonus. Okay, either way, the link is in the description. All right, so let's go back to NASDAQ here. So I have a resistance here that's being marked in, all right, and that's predicted. So this resistance, of course, is predicted by my system, but as well as it's a historical high here, right? So this is a resistance level right now, and price is reacting to it. There's also another one more sub high here, and this is your wash line. So that's your wash here, and then this is your rinse here. And right now, as of the live trading, NASDAQ is already down about 372 points, and it's forming the bearish wash. That means it's being resisted, and it's also at the same time below the pivot high here. So that's one high here, right? Of course, this would be the notable support level that's being predicted. All right, so if we are trading, then we probably be looking at the space here. Head to subscribepage.com/Tor ebook, insert your email for instant access to our ebook on wash and rinse. You get a detailed walkthrough on how to use wash and rinse on stocks, indexes, gold and crypto. Click the testimonial tab too. Find out why our community loves the no-brainer 100% cashback Tor course. Alright, let's continue with the video now. Okay, so that's NASDAQ. Second would be Nikkei 225. Nikkei 225 also a range-based trading. So we have a horizontal level here. So that's a very clear range. Then again, the predicted level by tech. All right, tech, it's a system that I created that predict levels, right, and based on the price trend. So in this case here, this orange level is the optimal, all right, resistance level. Because for Nikkei 225, it show a slight downward movement, which is a slight lower low here. Not very obvious, a slight lower low. And hence, this is the optimal, all right, price point, which is predicted as a resistance level here. So again, that we also see a wash and rinse at this moment here. So I guess that it's a bit of a range base with the support level coming inside here. And last one, okay, as I said, right, that's my best recently talk about indexed, and I've been talking about HSI in the previous videos. So if you're interested, you can watch the HS Tech and the HSI analysis in the previous video, which is 2 trades when Trump said that it doesn't want to have tariff. All right, so same thing, HSI moved up. It's looking to close above the 20,000 and 150. Again, that this is early morning update, so we are waiting for the day to close. And this week it's going to be a short week because it's a lunar new year, right? So Hang Seng is going to trade short week, but take a look at the weekly data. All right, so I know that the weekly data is a little bit different, but again, that these are the support level that's being predicted. And the nice things is that the week priced bar had already closed above the support level. That means that it is nicely being supported right now here. So in this case, going back to the day, the notable resistance level is back here at 21,000, which is of course something that we can see from the historical price level, because that's your resistance level. All right, so that's the 3 quick updates for today, Monday morning, before I'm going off for my meeting. All right, and I hope to do one more quick update during Chinese New Year as the market moves. Have you clicked the subscribe button? And how about a like?